Artificial intelligence is one of the fastest growing fields today, and recent advancements in deep learning are pushing the boundaries of what we can do with AI. Deep learning is at the cutting edge of self-driving cars, music generation, and has even been used to classify skin cancer with better accuracy than human doctors.
We've pioneered a curriculum with industry experts like Ian Goodfellow, inventor of generative adversarial networks, and Sebastian Thrun, former head of the Google self-driving car team.
Once you complete this program, you're automatically admitted into our robotics, self-driving car, and our other artificial intelligence Nanodegree programs. The field of AI is moving so insanely fast, it'll be fun to stay on top.
Together, we'll implement models from academic papers and connect with an incredible online community of peers. Throughout this program, you'll complete hands-on projects, such as your first neural network, and generating realistic images with a generative adversarial network. And you'll get in-depth code review from deep learning experts.
So what are you waiting for? Start your future today and join the Deep Learning Foundation's Nanodegree program.